Every time you talk to ChatGPT, a chip somewhere is burning money. Welcome to Atomly, where we explain how. Multiply that by millions of people every second. The demand is, quote, insatiable. And the chips doing this? Mostly bought from one company, NVIDIA. OpenAI is hooked. Those chips are like a Swiss army knife. They try to do everything. Using a do-everything chip for one job is like driving a tank to buy milk. What ChatGPT actually needs is a specialist, something that does one thing perfectly. So OpenAI built one and named it a Jalapeño. A Jalapeño does one thing: bring the heat. And it's amazing at it. Jalapeño only does inference. That's the part where the AI answers you. And the crazy part? They built this whole thing in 9 months. Chips usually take years. How? OpenAI used its own AI to help design the chip. The AI helped build its own brain. Because it's a specialist, it stops shuffling data around. Less shuffling means faster, cheaper answers. But don't get too excited, it only does one job. And OpenAI hasn't even shown us the benchmarks yet. The spice is unproven. Still, if it works, ChatGPT gets cheaper, faster, and NVIDIA gets nervous. It's a brain that does one job, and it brings the heat. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to watch more, click the suggestions below.